Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS DMS to write to Redshift step by step clearly. To authorize AWS Database Migration Service, or DMS, to write to Amazon Redshift, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Redshift service from the console dashboard. Select the cluster where you want DMS to write data. In the cluster details, locate the Properties section. Find the Cluster Securities section within the Properties. Next, click on the Add button to modify the security group settings. In the security group settings, permit inbound traffic on the port used by Redshift. Typically, this port is 5439, but verify your specific configuration to ensure accuracy. Set the source of the inbound rule to the IP address range or security group that your DMS instance uses. After making the necessary changes, save the security group settings. Now, navigate to the AWS DMS service within the console. Create or select your existing replication instance. Ensure that the replication instance has the necessary IAM role attached. This IAM role must have permissions to access both source and target databases. Next, go to the Endpoints section. Create a new endpoint for Redshift by selecting Create Endpoint. Choose the type as Target Endpoint. Enter your cluster's endpoint information including the database name, username, and password. Select the IAM role you assigned for DMS to utilize. Test the connection to ensure everything is configured correctly. If successful, save the endpoint settings. Proceed to create your migration task. Select the source and target endpoints you just configured. Define the migration type, whether full load, ongoing replication, or both. Configure any transformation rules if necessary. Finally, initiate the migration task to begin moving data from your source database to the Redshift cluster. Monitor the migration process through the DMS console to ensure it completes successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.